everyone. Welcome to Africa. Welcome to my patio right here. It is day 19 of the Jenny Box, and I am so excited about today's gift that I wanted to do it for you myself. So let's just open it up. Find the box. You'll see on the snowflake it says 19. Day 19. So cool. You get to hear all the sounds of Africa. We're pretty close to the road. We live in a city, and so you can hear all the cars and everything going by, but I wanted to do it out here like it was a garden because, look at this. Ingrid's garden in miniature, in tiny. Look how darling this is. I'm so excited about this. You guys know how much I love doing the Ingrid's quilt and celebrating my grandmother's art. And I just want to show you what's in here because it's literally a miniature replica of the big one. So we have the tiny hoop. We have all the little threads, all the colors. When you open this up, you've got the little mini directions. Look how cute they are. You've got the little mini stick-ons and a tiny little needle thing. I don't know if I can get that out of there. Hang on. Here it comes, here it comes. So here's our tiny little needle thing. It has a needle thread and a needle in it. It's just as cute as it can be. So when I made my kids the Ingrid's garden, and I did the big ones, and we had the denim borders around it, and I felt like there was just so much space that I started creating myself little tiny flowers to put in that little 2.5-inch square. And not only do they have flowers in this one, but they have a little bee. I mean, I have a little bee I'm working on right here. I mean, it's just cute as can be. And so I just hope that you guys are having a wonderful time opening all the things from the Jenny Box. I think it's the best one yet. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you for another day. Bye, everybody.